In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Facebook leads with Microsoft Excel using Zapier. This automation sends new leads from Facebook lead ads directly into an Excel spreadsheet so you can organize, track, and follow up with prospects without copying data manually. It's a useful workflow for marketers, sales teams, agencies, and business owners who want to save time and respond to leads faster. If this tutorial helps you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more automation guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Sign into your Zapier account or create one if you're new to the platform. After you reach the Zapier homepage, click Create. This opens the menu where you can start building a new automation. Select Zap Workflows to create a workflow with a trigger and an action. A Zap works by connecting an event in one application to an automatic task in another application. In this example, the trigger will be a new lead from Facebook lead ads, and the action will be sending that lead information to Excel. Once the workflow editor opens, click Trigger. In the App Search field, search for Facebook lead ads and select it from the results. Facebook lead ads is the application that will provide the information for this automation. Next, choose the trigger event. Select New Lead. This tells Zapier to start the workflow whenever a new person submits one of your Facebook lead forms. After selecting the event, continue to the account connection step and log into your Facebook account if prompted. Follow the authorization instructions and allow Zapier to access the Facebook pages and lead forms required for this workflow. Depending on your account setup, you may need to select the Facebook page and lead form that you want to monitor. Choose the correct page and form carefully, especially if you manage multiple businesses or campaigns. The selected form determines which new submission Zapier will retrieve. Now move to the Action section. Click Action to add the step that will receive the Facebook lead. Search for Excel and select the Microsoft Excel integration from the available results. This is where the lead information will be added to your spreadsheet. After selecting Excel, click Choose an Event. The available events can vary depending on your Zapier and Microsoft account setup. Choose the event that adds or creates a new row in a spreadsheet. If the interface shows several Excel actions, select the option intended for adding a new row or recording new spreadsheet data. Continue to the account connection step and log in to your Microsoft account. Make sure you use the account that has access to the Excel workbook where you want to store your leads. Approve the requested permissions so Zapier can connect with Excel and add information to the selected file. When the setup is complete, click Build It at the top of the Zapier editor. This saves the workflow configuration and prepares it for testing. Then click Test Run. Zapier will attempt to retrieve a sample lead from Facebook and send the mapped information to your Excel worksheet. Open Excel and check whether a new row was added. Confirm that the name, email address, phone number, and other fields appear in the correct columns. If the information is missing or appears in the wrong place, return to Zapier, adjust the field mapping, and run the test again. It's always best to verify the test data before turning on the automation. Once everything looks correct, click Publish. Publishing activates the Zap. From that point forward, each new submission from the selected Facebook lead form can be sent automatically to your Excel spreadsheet. You won't need to download leads or copy and paste them manually. Keep in mind that Zapier checks for new data according to the timing and plan associated with your account, so a lead may not always appear instantly. Also, make sure the Facebook page, lead form, Microsoft account, workbook, and worksheet remain accessible. If any of these connections change, the Zap may require attention. For better lead management, consider adding follow-up steps after Excel. You could send an email notification, create a task for your sales team, add the contact to a CRM, or send a message to a team collaboration app. Start with the Facebook to Excel workflow, then expand it as your process grows. And that's how to integrate Facebook leads to Excel with Zapier. You connected Facebook lead ads as the trigger, selected a new lead event, connected your Facebook account, added Excel as the action, mapped lead fields into a worksheet, tested the workflow, and published the automation. If this video was useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who wants to automate lead collection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.